Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today I'm working on the Honda 1300. What I'm going to do is take the old handlebars off of it and put some other handlebars on, and these is about 2 inches taller than what is on here. Not only is it 2 inches taller, but it is also about 2 inches to the inside. In other words, if it was the same width as these bars, I don't think my throttle cable would work. That's the main thing I'm concerned with. And I've been, kind of taking some of this stuff loose and all, getting prepared for, disassemble and all. And from what I could tell, I think it will work. I'm just not 100% sure. And I've been doing some measurements and measuring and comparing some stuff. And what I'm gonna end up having to do, I got a feeling I'm gonna end up having to drill some holes in the handlebars for the controls, the turn signal, and all, start button, because everything feels like it's got a pin in it. And I have run across that on the Kawasaki's. So, anytime you're messing with like a Kawasaki or something, and well, we'll find out more about this here in just a few minutes. But anyway, what I'm planning on doing, I already got a lot of this stuff broke loose, got wires undone, try to make this quick as possible. These pieces I'm not going to be able to use anymore, because there is like a pin that is underneath that what holds all that together on there. Maybe I got the camera at the right angle, but what it does, it just slides in like so. All right, let's see. All right, got that back loose, and there's two on each side. So, well, with that said, I think I, kind of halfway covered it. And to the height of the bars, with the handlebars, or the front end straight, the handlebars straight, let's say, I think it was like 42, yeah, 42 and a half inches to the top, right here, 42 and a half. So if that is 2 inches taller, this should be 44 and a half. All right, well, with that said, let me go ahead and get started taking this thing apart. Okay, I have run into a slight little problem. If you'll see, there's a hole here and there's a hole over here. And what I'm going to end up having to do is try to drill a hole right here in this corner. I'll get my measurements in just a second. Let's see. I was thinking about that and I didn't even think about measuring. Okay, as far as it goes for the original holes, we're looking at 5 1/4. So 5 1/4, that's going to put that hole, let's see, check that again. Yep, that's going to put that hole roughly right there, just above this crimp. And you'll notice on these bars, they both have a crimp. And it's going to have to be at an angle. That way I put all the controls back in the same location where they was when they was on the original bars. So we're dealing with 5 1/4. 5 1/4. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this in the vise and get my hole size here. Center punch it. Make sure it's in the right angle. And then drill it. Then put this other bar in and see if I can get that grip off. And then measure that side, make sure I'm correct on it. And, you know, center punch and drill a hole on that side. Then I can start putting these bars back on. I feel like with the throttle and all and everything's going to be fine. The difference between these bars, where this piece is, you know, I can't think of the name of it. It all to help lock the bars down. If you'll notice, these, the center of these is out here, but the center of these is right here. But what it's going to do is it's going to be half of this is in, half of this will be in. And so that should still hold the handlebars, keep them from vibrating and moving on you. Yep. Yep, them is solid. I was kind of hoping they would be like the Kawasaki, where you got a bolt that goes down through there. I wish they was that way, because it's easier to put risers on here. In other words, all you had to do is just build you a little short piece and put you a longer bolt in and you're done. Alright, well, let me get started on these handlebars. Let's see what I can get done. I'll be right back. Holes drilled from in the bars, and at one angle they look like they're correct. At a different angle they look like they are just a little bit off. See, like okay, as far as it goes, it's kind of hard to show exactly what I'm, but this hole is more toward the bottom than what this is. I mean, I'm just, well, there's no way I could have moved that hole down to this hump right here where it's inside. And I think these handlebars is chrome moly, because it's a lot thinner, a lot lighter. And I'm here to tell you, when I was drilling holes, it was something else. Okay, well, but I'm thinking I'm off just a little bit, but it's just where this, I can't do it no differently. Now, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get started putting the handlebars on. I still got that grip to deal with. Hopefully I can get that off of there and be able to put it on here and everything will work out just fine. I measured that and I went 5 1/4 on that side, just like, you know, this side 5 1/4, because I measured it. And also, you know, all right, let me get started back on it again. I finally got them on, folks. I almost scratched putting them on because I was having a sure enough bad problem with this brake line and all fitting in here. What I ended up doing, this stop right here was on this side of the master cylinder. So what I done, I loosened the bolt, took the bolt out, twisted it all around, put the stop on this side. Then I put the bolt back in, and now I got it to where it's not touching. Ooh. I didn't ever have a leak. I might have to go back on that piece right there. I might have to put some new washers underneath there. I don't know just yet. I'm just gonna have to wait and see. Yeah, because I don't want none of that dripping on my paint overnight. Oh, let me grab that 12 millimeter. Make sure it's tight right there. Okay. Now, maybe, because I sure don't want to mess up the paint job that's on here. I didn't ever see it drip or anything like that when I was mashing the brakes and all, and well, I thought it was sealed until I touched it, and there was a little bit on my fingers. Okay, now excuse me, let's see what the measurements is right here. We are looking at 46 inches now. So it is definitely taller. Let's see, 46, yep. Right there at 46. Well, it is on 46. And two, if you look at the bars, I can still tilt them up just a little bit, because I got them leaned back just a little bit far right now. I can still move them up just a little. I'm gonna leave my little caps off right here, ride this like it is, see how it feels to me. I might end up picking them up just a fraction to where everything is straight, not, you know, lean back right there. I hope y'all can see that, what I'm talking about. But I got the mirrors on. I got them semi-adjusted. I'm gonna have to ride it to really adjust them. They're close, like I said, they're close. Now where my hole drilling was, if you'll notice, that right there is setting up just a little bit. My hole should have been on down underneath there, but you seen how where that crimp was on there, I really could not get a hole in that area. Throttle working great. I done checked the lights and everything. Maybe cut the fuel on. High beam, turn signals. The horn, it works. Kill switch. Yeah, I don't like them kill switches being like that. Still got these two little pieces to remove right here. Them two little pieces. But all in all, the handlebars is up higher. But I got lucky. I was able to straighten up that brake line right there. I had to pull it off of the piece that was underneath it. I just worked my way out on it right there and took it loose. And I'll just leave it like that for right now. See how everything's going to work on it. See how it's going to ride to me. Like I said, I might pick him up just a little bit more. reckon that'll do it for this video. Oh, and two, these handlebars came off of my cousin's Harley Davidson. And I think they're chrome moly. They're a lot lighter than what the bars that was on it. But I'm here to tell you, as far as it goes for drilling a hole, I went through a few bits before I found some good sharp enough bits to where I could finish drilling them holes and all. Make sure everything's tight. Well, folks, I reckon that'll do it. Thank you for watching.